Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic artificial intelligence. So let's get started. The logic theorist, often considered the first artificial intelligence program, was developed by which team? The correct answer is option A, Alan Newell, Herbert A. Simon, and Cliff Shaw. What was the primary consequence of the 1973 Lighthill Report in the United Kingdom? The correct answer is option B. It led to a massive reduction in AI funding and the start of the first AI winter. Which programming language, created by John McCarthy in 1958, became the dominant language for AI research for decades? The correct answer is option C, Lisp. In the early 1970s, Terry Winograd developed which famous natural language understanding program that operated in a block's world? The correct answer is option D, SHRDLU. What is the historical significance of the 1956 Dartmouth Workshop? The correct answer is option A. It is considered the official birth of artificial intelligence as a field of study. In which 1950 paper did Alan Turing introduce what is now known as the Turing Test? The correct answer is option B, Computing Machinery and Intelligence. XEN, originally R1, was a famous expert system used in the 1980s to configure computer systems. Which company utilized it? The correct answer is option C, Digital Equipment Corporation, DC. In what year did IBM's Deep Blue defeat the reigning world chess champion Garry Kasparov in a 6-game match? The correct answer is option D, 1997. Developed at SRI International between 1966 and 1972, what was the name of the first general-purpose mobile robot that could reason about its actions? The correct answer is option A, Shaky. Who developed the Perceptron in 1957, an early artificial neural network intended for pattern recognition? The correct answer is option B, Frank Rosenblatt. The Psych Project, which aims to assemble a comprehensive ontology and knowledge base of everyday common sense, was started in 1984 by whom? The correct answer is option C, Douglas Lenat. What was the central argument in Minsky and Papert's 1969 book, Perceptrons, that contributed to a decline in neural network research? The correct answer is option D. Single-layer perceptrons could not solve linearly inseparable problems like XOR. The 1986 publication, Parallel Distributed Processing, revitalized neural network research by popularizing which algorithm? The correct answer is option A, backpropagation. Eliza, the first chatbot that simulated a Rogerian psychotherapist, was created by which researcher at MIT? The correct answer is option B, Joseph Weizenbaum. Who is credited with coining the term machine learning in 1959 while working at IBM? The correct answer is option C, Arthur Samuel. The publication of Artificial Intelligence, a Modern Approach in 1995 helped unify the field around which concept? The correct answer is option D, intelligent agents. Which AI concept suggests that high-level reasoning requires very little computation, but low-level sensory-motor skills require enormous computational resources. The correct answer is option A, Moravec's paradox. In 2011, the AI system Watson defeated legendary champions Ken Jennings and Brad Rutter on which game show? The correct answer is option B, Jeopardy! Which researcher developed the neocognitron in 1980, which served as a foundational inspiration for modern convolutional neural networks, CNNs? The correct answer is option C, Kunihiko Fukushima. The fifth-generation computer systems project was a massive 1980s government initiative to leapfrog computer technology using massive parallelism and logic programming. Which country launched it? The correct answer is option D, Japan. What does the acronym GO-FI stand for, a term coined by John Hageland in 1985 to describe traditional symbolic AI? The correct answer is option A, good old-fashioned artificial intelligence. Who authored the 1943 paper A Logical Calculus of the Ideas Immanent in Nervous Activity, which proposed the first mathematical model of a biological neuron? The correct answer is option B, Warren McCulloch and Walter Pitts. In 2016, DeepMind's AlphaGo defeated which 18-time world champion Go player? The correct answer is option C, Lee Sedol. The 1966 ALPAC report was highly critical of the progress and potential of which specific AI subfield? The correct answer is option D, machine translation. Dendrel, considered the first expert system, was designed to assist in which task? The correct answer is option A, identifying chemical structures from mass spectrometry data. The Chinese room thought experiment, which argues that a program cannot give a computer a mind or understanding, was proposed by whom? The correct answer is option B, John Searle. Rodney Brooks, a pioneer in robotics, proposed which architecture in the late 1980s that favored reactive behavior over complex internal world models? The correct answer is option C, subsumption architecture. In which year did the AlexNet architecture win the ImageNet challenge, marking the start of the current deep learning revolution? The correct answer is option D, 2012. The landmark 2017 paper Attention is All You Need introduced which architecture that currently dominates large language models, LLMs? The correct answer is option A, transformer. What was the name of the physical machine Frank Rosenblatt built at the Cornell Aeronautical Laboratory to demonstrate his neural network theories? The correct answer is option B, the Mark I Perceptron. Thank you for watching.